Alright YouTube, we're on a job of hardwood refinishing. We are doing a complete sand and refinish of just a natural look with a satin sheen. Let's go take a look. The team is at it now, the hardwood sanding team. Removing all the base cove and installing 6-inch trim all along, and then we're going to paint it for them to match their window trim. We do tape everything off, as you can see. So we're going to get all the micro scratches out. Right now, it is a semi-gloss, pre-finished, and we're going to sand all this off and put a satin sheen, kind of making it all smooth again, getting rid of all the imperfections, all the small scratches, and starting new and fresh. You can see we taped everything off accordingly. We did, in this case, remove all their furniture and put it to their garage area. And then when we get finished, we're gonna put everything back. We do charge additional for that, but we did do that, accommodate them because they are elderly. We did put everything over everything that needs to be done. We removed the appliances, as you can see. At the bedroom here, of course. Yeah, guys, it's gonna be a great project. We're gonna be here probably 4 to 5 days. You can see here just the difference of color. That's all gonna blend. And yeah, guys, it's gonna be great. So the team is here now, just getting everything prepped and sanded, so we could start the polyurethane process, as well as we also added additive, which is aluminum oxide, which helps make the floor scratch resistance. Not scratch proof, but scratch resistance. It just aids in the protection to help with small scratches and abrasions. So again, we're gonna apply aluminum oxide mixed with a poly on the first and second coat of polyurethane. So they did decide to go with the satin sheen. It just looks a little bit more uniform. So this is a semi-gloss finish now. So, all right, guys, let's go check the team out. How we doing? Good. Beautiful day out there. We did also remove the toilet, and then we're going to install new bolts in the toilet ring when we're done. We also sanded this already. As you can see, looks fantastic. We just got to do the edging still, but we got it down to the raw wood, as you guys can see. See that? Beautiful. But again, they're not going to go stain. They want the natural look. So we're just smoothing it all out, making it all level, and then applying the polyurethane with that, with the aluminum oxide protection. What's up? Hey, what's going on? Got my guy on there. Good, good. You see we're sanding this off. Got my guy Jerry on it. We're doing good. Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I just want to show you the prep work. And yeah, we're actually having a guy take off the baseboard coat now, so we can get that ready for noon. So we're also going to paint it with paint that we got to match their trim. So we're going to paint it with the color that we got here from Sherwin-Williams. That is the color that they chose, custom paint. And we're going to do that also once we install the new baseboard coat after we sand the floors. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thank you again so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the final results, which we'll do another video on Friday. All right, guys. Thank you. Bye. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, AOCleaning here again. Our sanding team is sanding. As you guys know, we actually, when we do your floors, we prep really well and cover up everything, pictures, everything. So my team did a real good job on prepping. As you can see, we prepped everything, and it's just a great job. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the final walkthrough that you guys saw in the video. That we prepped everything, covered everything. This floor is finished with 2 coats of polyurethane, and all the furniture, the guys moved back. And just look at this, guys, absolutely stunning. And we got some tape on the floor to identify some areas that needed to be buffed because it had a cure. But overall, this floor looks absolutely stunning. As you can see, put the toilet back. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. We did about 1,700 square feet, as you can see. We actually put all the furniture back this morning, and the guys are hard at work, and these floors are just so beautiful, added character to it. The 2 coats, nice and smooth, with the satin sheen. Phenomenal. Client absolutely loves it. Looks great. Into the dining room, then we got the hallway, and then we got the bedroom area. And we actually threw in the closet area that we did back here for them. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and comment.